Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Nige. Welcome back to the awning layout. Today I want to talk a little bit about electrics. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm in no way an electrician. I don't claim to be, I don't want to be. But I'll talk a bit about how I've wired my layout. Now, as you saw outside, we live on a holiday park, and each pitch has a metered electric box. It's got a trip on it. It is 240 volts, rated at 16 amps. So if you use anything more inside your caravan than 16 amps, it will trip out. The orange cable that comes out of the outlet is a 240 volt electric cable, snakes round and plugs into the inlet on the caravan. From there it powers all the 240 volt 3-pin sockets. The main one is for the fridge freezer, also TV, microwave, kettle and toaster. The kettle and toaster are rated low wattage, the proper camping items. Also on board we have a 12 volt leisure battery. This powers all the interior lights. They're mostly LEDs, so they're low wattage anyway. There is an onboard battery charger to keep that battery topped up. So it does its thing. So to power my layout, we have a 240 volt outlet here. It's on a 3-pin plug. And that black extension lead goes all the way along, excuse the mess, all the way along, right round the back and comes out here. At the minute I've got my tablet on charge, which I use for my train app. On here is the transformer plug for my power box, digital power box. As you can see on there, input is between 110 and 240 volts AC. That then converts this to 15 volts DC. That is then plugged into the back of my digital power box. That is linked to the tablet by Bluetooth. Quite a good system. You can also get this system with Wi-Fi enabled, but I haven't done that because Wi-Fi isn't the best on a holiday park. So the power leads to the track. Now, before I had them just directly fed to the track, and if you can remember, I had digital point clips put into every point, and that powered all the track. They was becoming unreliable. Obviously out here in an awning, it comes from extreme heat to extreme cold and everything in between. So every so often I would have to take the digital point clips out and clean them, besides cleaning the track. So I thought I'd go with bus wires and dropper wires, which I've done. Now, my power feed from the back of my digibox has gone into this. This is a power surge protector, and it is this one here. You can pause that if you want to read that, but effectively what it does when you first turn the power on, it protects your locomotives from a power surge. A surge is like a rush of power, so that's that beauty there. Input is there, output's there, then that's connected to your bus wires, which in turn your dropper wires are connected to. On the end of each bus wire I've also fitted these, again by the same company. It's a bus wire spike suppressor. Got one on both ends, there's one on here, there we go, that's another one. So I've fitted two so far, and it is this here. So you can stop and pause that and read that. So all this helps in protecting your decoders in your locomotives. I've had two burn out, so I thought I'd better invest in something rather than keep replacing decoders. Anyway, hope this helps. It's Sunday morning here, quite nice, so have a fun day. Toodaloo.